Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is access a meeting from within a Google app. How many times have you been in the middle of making entries in a spreadsheet, typing up project data, or working on a presentation when a calendar notification pops up reminding you that it is time to join a meeting? Did you know that you can stay within the document, spreadsheet, or slide that you are working on and join the meeting, or even schedule a new one? In any of the primary Google apps, look for the camera icon. From within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, click on the camera icon at the top of the page to the left of your profile picture. A scheduled meeting will appear here, and you can join without leaving your document. You can also schedule a new Google Meet. This is convenient when you are working on a project and need to ask someone a quick question or get some additional insight. You can choose to do only a video call or to share the file that you are working on in the video call. Currently, I am the only one in the meeting. To add others, copy the link that is beside the option you choose and paste it in the chat or email to the desired recipients. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.